What is parent coaching? Many parents feel at a loss while waiting for ABA therapy to begin. They wish there was something they could do to help. There is. It's parent coaching. Parent coaching is working with a BCBA or a senior therapist to learn strategies and techniques that you can use to help your child. One of the main goals of parent coaching is generalization. That's demonstrating skills in different environments, with different people, and with different materials. Parent coaching empowers parents to be the agent of change. They don't need to rely on a therapist if they have the basic skills. Of course, there are some situations that require a therapist, but there are lots of things parents can learn and implement. What does parent coaching look like? Your BCBA or ST will discuss what your goals are. They will develop a plan with you. They might use a technique called Behavioural Skills Training, or BST. BST has 4 steps: instruction, modeling, roleplay, and feedback. You can choose challenging behavior reduction or skill acquisition. The BCBA or ST will ask you to take some baseline data. This tells us about the behavior now. We use this information to tell if our intervention was successful. If we're trying to reduce a behavior, we would want to see it happen less. If we're teaching a new skill, we would want to see it happen more. Parent coaching can be time-limited or continuous. It depends on what your goals are. Let's connect. Online at www.sidebysidetherapy.ca, by email at info@sidebysidetherapy.ca, or by phone at 1-877-797-0437. Side by Side Therapy, empowering parents to empower their children.